Manhunt round 2. Ready? Clear. Clear. Go ahead and cross. All right. Or somebody, I don't care who. 2 of you that way, 2 of us this way. Yeah, you go. Right here. I want you to check this wall. Check the wall. No, come here, come here. Just peek the wall. Ready? Same time. 1, 2, 3. Room is clear. Who's shooting?
Who's shooting?
Yep, sounds like firing range to me too. Are you hit, Daniel? Where? Moss? He's in the police station. Let's go, guys. Come on. He's over here now. Let's go. Come on. Hold your fire. Nothing over here. Let's go. Jordan, with me. He's back in the mosque. It's clear. He's in the mosque. He ducked into that hallway. Clear. Clear. Where are you getting shot from?
Behind.
Take him. Right here, right here. Right here, behind this cover. Hey, come with me. Big kill. Self-sacrifice is a beautiful thing.
The last one's here.
Ow! I don't know if you said it. I'll take it though.
It's just kind of hard to project. You said it kind of like when you're coming around the corner, you begin to say it before you.
Right.
Holding around the corner.
Yep, I'll take that. That's fine. Life for a life is good with me on that one.